Okay. Ito yung mga sinasabi natin kanina, no? Yung fiber, ang taas ng fiber content natin, ano? Kaya kung pahirapan kayo dun sa pag-prepare ng gulay, barley has everything, ano? And yung potassium, yes. When it comes to the blood pressure, ito yung role ng Santay barley natin, ano? Na yung potassium level niya nakaka-regulate ng blood pressure. Folic acid, vitamin B6, alam na natin to, no? Yung B complex, pampaganda ng buto natin, yung general well-being natin. Excellent source of fiber, yes. Dito nababawasan yung cholesterol natin sa dugo, no? Na-detoxify, decreasing the risk of heart disease. Yung beta-glucan, na kinukwento ko sa inyo kanina, no, kung bakit bumababa yung absorption natin at gumaganda yung blood sugar natin, it is being controlled by the beta-glucan. Okay? So, why is barley good for heart health? Yan, an intake of 3 grams lang ng beta-glucans per day can lower blood pressure or blood cholesterol by 5%. Vitamin B6 and folic acid present in barley prevents the buildup of a compound known as homocysteine. Pag merong mga cardiovascular events, ICU setting, pinapacheck namin ang homocysteine. Matataas. Ang barley pala, meron na pala siyang panlaban dyan. Kaya nga, when it comes to heart diseases, ang ganda-ganda niya talaga, di ba? When excessive homocysteine accumulates sa body, it can damage blood vessels leading to heart problems. Okay?